Good morning and welcome to the summer vlog. I'm out west. I'm in Windermere right now and I thought I'd just make a fun little vlog of a couple days of my life out here, enjoying the summer at the lake and in the mountains. So we had a bit of a late start to the day, but we are just about to head out and try to bike the Legacy Trail, which is on the other side of Lake Windermere. I've done it before. There's like quite a bit of hills and the bikes that we have are like not the greatest. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, it should be a really gorgeous trail and it's a stunning day out. It's like 25. So it'll be good to get some exercise in and hopefully our bikes are okay. But yeah, let's head out there now. I know. Sure.
I'm very worried about going back.
Yeah, I know.
We've only been going downhill.
I know. We've done a couple hills.
Yeah.
It's a nice trail though, hey?
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
Yeah.
I wish I had my bike.
I know.
Then I'd probably do it like every other day.
Yeah. All right, we've made it to the 10-kilometer marker and we've mostly gone downhill. So we're really concerned actually about going back, but yeah, it's just gonna be a bit of a slog, but gorgeous trail, absolutely stunning. It's a perfect day as well. So, but yeah, this way home might be a bit of a mission. Because you kind of miss it, because now you're seeing the whole lake. Whew, that wasn't that bad. No. We made it to this gorge viewpoint of the lake. It's so stunning. Also, the air smells literally so good with all the flowers that are blooming. We're about halfway back, and honestly, it hasn't been that bad, but I think there's more hills to come. Yeah, I know. I was just thinking that. It's because it goes up and then it goes down and it's just like not consistent up. Uh-oh. Crocs immediately go on after the bike. All right, we are all finished up and we're just heading back to the cabin now. I think we're gonna stop by the grocery store and get some groceries, but honestly not that bad on the way back. We were just saying like it's nice because you'll go up and then you'll go back down, so it's not like a very consistent like up, but yeah, really good. Just bought these guys and they are so tasty. PC cherries for the win.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night. faces merchant change, but your face remained the same. The swallows will be here by dawn.
You look good. Pretty.
A little crisp.
We just made it down from the hike. It was so gorge. Definitely a bit of like a longer one, but not too hard in terms of like elevation. Yeah, we went to Lunette Lake first, and that was gorge because you could see Mount Assiniboine right behind it. And then the next lake was Assiniboine Lake, which like randomly you couldn't see Mount Assiniboine from. But it was stunning because it was like blue, like super blue. But we're just walking back to our car now because this hike is way far along a Forest Servicery road, and we didn't want to cross like one of these sketchy bridges, so we parked like 1.5 kilometers from the trailhead. So just, you know, adding an extra 3K onto our 14K hike. But as Matt just said, we're elite athletes, so we can do it. Getting our extra steps in. Anyways, yeah, stunning day too. Like, man, just look at this view. So gorge. See this bridge? It's a little bit sketch. But they're all like this. Matt's going for a little dip. And this is the main reason why we didn't want to cross. Why does it say 0? Sketch. Sketch, sketch. We've made it. Time to take off our shoes and pack it in. Whew. Oh, a bit muddy. Best feeling ever. Good morning. It is our final day at the lake today, and then we are heading back to Calgary for the first Stampede weekend. But such a fun week. This is gonna be like a bit of just a compilation of random fun things that we did while we were here. But I'm just in the bunkie right now. We're cleaning it all up. It's just a little shed. But yeah, on our drive home, we're gonna be going and hiking Stanley Glacier. It's just along like Highway 93. I've always wanted to hike it for like 20 years we've been coming up here, but I feel like whenever we're heading to the lake, we just like immediately want to get there and like don't stop anywhere, even though the 93 is like such a stunning highway. So yeah, excited to go and do that hike and take you guys along with me. Also, these guys just bloomed a couple days ago. Literally the best smelling flower ever. They're so big, they're like drooping down. And then the roses are just kind of almost done, they're blooming too. And then this is another little peony here. Got her all closed up and ready to hit the road. She's behind me. She put it all behind me.